Right. Actually, my health is also not good today. That's why I want to teach you more. So now tell me, Cartesian product of two graphs is done or not done in your section? Cartesian product of two graph is done or not done in your section? Suppose you are, so what is the question? Is screen visible or not? Not visible. I hope visible. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Suppose you are given two graph G and H. Can you draw G cross H? This concept is done or not done? Yes or no? In your section. That is, she said Cartesian product of two graphs is done or not done? Hello?
No, sir, not done.
Not done. So write it. Write the definition. The Cartesian product of G and H written as G small square H is the graph. So for drawing any graph, we need two sides. What are these? Vertex set and a set. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
With vertex set is the graph with vertex set V of G cross V of H. Right? Clear? Not clear? So that is first condition. What is the vertex set of G small square H? Vertex set of G cross vertex set of H. Clear? Not clear? This is the first condition. Second, and specified by putting UV adjacent to adjacent adjacent to U dash V dash if only if one of the condition hold. First one, if U is equal to U dash and V comma V dash belongs to a set of which graph? A set of which graph? G or H? Now tell me, U V this vertex V and V dash lie where? Lie in which graph? Tell me. V and V dash lie where? In which graph?
Ma'am, sir, U and V line G graph and U dash V
No.
dash line.
Yes, U and U dash lie in G graph. V and V dash lie in H graph. So now tell me, this edge V dash can be present where? In the graph H? Yes or no? Belongs to H. Or second one, U dash belongs to a set of G and V is equal to V dash. Clear or not clear? So what is the second condition? U V is adjacent to U dash V dash. If either one of the condition hold, if U is equal to U dash and age V dash belongs to a set of H. Or second condition, V is equal to V dash and U dash belongs to a set of which graph H. Definition is clear or not clear? Definition is clear or not clear? Definition is clear or
Clear,
not
sir.
clear? Right. Okay. So for example, one second please. Why is not working? Example number one. U1 V1 U2 V2. Right. This is your P3 graph. This is the P2 graph. Now we have to draw Cartesian product of these two graphs. It means P small square P2. So what is the, so this is the graph, this is the graph G, this is the graph H, right? Now tell me what is the vertex at P3 small square P2? What are the vertices? This graph has how many vertices? Tell me. This graph has how many vertices?
6.
Six. Right, which are U1, U2, V1, U2, W1, U2, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Second, fourth one, U1, V2, U1, sorry, V1, V2, and last one, W1, V2. Yes or no?
Yes,
Yes
sir.
or no? Now pick first vertex. Suppose this is the first vertex. Now check the adjacency of this vertices with all other vertices. With all other vertices. Suppose this is our vertex first one, second one, third one, fourth one, fifth one, sixth one. Now tell me, V1, V2 are adjacent or not? Sorry, first vertex and second vertex are adjacent or not?
No, sir.
Why not adjacent? See, analyze the this condition. If first coordinate is same, then corresponding to second vertex, then we have corresponding to second vertex. And if we get an edge in the second graph, then we can draw it. If vertex, second vertex means, if second coordinate is same, then corresponding to first one, we have an edge, then we can draw it. Yes or no? Not tell me vertex 1 and 2 are adjacent or not. Tell me.
Yes, sir.
Right. Adjacent or not? Tell me. See, second coordinate is same or not? Now we have to focus on the first coordinate. Corresponding to first coordinate, we have an edge in the graph G or not. So here second coordinate is same or not? Tell me.
Yes, sir.
Now corresponding to first coordinate, do we have any edge in the graph G? Do we have an edge?
Yes, sir.
Which one?
Sir, U1 V1.
U1, V1. So can we draw this line or not? So, so 1 is adjacent to
Yes, sir.
2. Now tell me 1 is adjacent to 3 or not?
No, sir.
Why not? Why not? Since second coordinate is same, now we have to see corresponding to first coordinate. Do we have any edge in the graph G?
No, sir.
No. That's why 1 is not adjacent to third. Keep in mind, what is the meaning of and? Whenever these two conditions hold at a certain time or at a fixed time, then we will draw edge. Then we draw the edge. Then both the condition, this condition, whenever this condition and this condition hold, then we draw a line, or whenever this condition and this condition, both the condition hold at a time, then we can draw a line. And all the otherwise we do not draw the edge. Now 1 and 3 are adjacent or not? Yes or no?
No, sir.
No. And 1 and 4th, 1 and 4th are adjacent or not? 1 and 4th are adjacent or not?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Why? First coordinate is same, yes or no? So corresponding
Yes,
to
sir.
second coordinate, do we have any edge in the second graph? If you second graph means in the graph H.
Yes, sir. U2 V2.
Okay. So that's why we will draw this is. So that's why 1 and 4 are adjacent. 1 and 5 are adjacent or not? 1 and 5 are adjacent or not? Tell me. 1 and 5 are adjacent or not? Yes or no?
No, sir.
Not adjacent.
Yes, sir. Addition.
Adjacent. Adjacent. 1 and 5th. 1 and 5th.
No, 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 sir. Sorry.
Not adjacent. 1 and 6. 1 and 6 are adjacent or not?
No, sir.
No. So please complete this graph. Please complete this graph yourself. Can you complete this graph? So for vertex 1 we are done. Similarly you have to do for second vertex, for third vertex, for fourth vertex, for fifth vertex, for sixth vertex. Yes or no? Can you repeat the process for the remaining 5 vertices? Can you repeat or not?
Yes,
Yes
sir.
or no? Okay, please repeat it. All of you can complete this. graph or not?
Yes, sir, done.
So what is that?
Sir, we get ladder-like of structure. Sir,
You are getting how many square? Your graph consisting of how many square?
how many?
Scores.
Sir, two squares.
Two square, right? Obviously, square का meaning नहीं है यहाँ पर. Square does not make a sense here, but we can understand it,
Yes, sir.
right? So if you are getting two square, so it means your answer is correct. And those who have completed this graph, please write yes in the chat box. Those who have completed the graph, please write the yes in the chat box. Actually, one student was asking, where is C? Actually, C has gone for the vaccination, right? Only one student has completed. Only one student has completed. Ashish Sahu, Gurman Singh, Gurman Singh. Please solve this one. I can't speak more, right? Yes, Gurman Singh. Your question is done, Gurman Singh. Sudhanshu Prasad, your question done. Now tell me, now 4 1 is done. 2 is addition to 3 or not? Yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes,
Sir,
sir.
can you repeat your question?
2 is addition to 3 or not?
Yes, sir.
2 is addition to 4 or not?
No, sir.
2.
No,
2
sir.
5,
Yes, sir.
2 6. 2 is addition to 6 or not?
No, sir.
No,
No.
sir.
So 4 2 we are done. Pick 3. 3 is addition to 4.
No, sir.
5,
No, sir.
6.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
3 is done. Now pick fourth one. Fourth is addition to fifth.
Yes, sir.
Fourth is addition to sixth one.
No, sir.
Four. So 4 we are done. Pick sixth one, fifth one. Fifth is addition to six.
Yes, sir.
So fifth is done. Also six is done. So this is the Cartesian product of these two graph. Clear or not clear? Clear or not clear?
Clear, sir.
Clear or let's have a one another example. This is the C3, this is the C4. Found out Cartesian product of these two graphs. So can you find out or not?
Yes, sir.
Sir, you're not audible.
I'm not audible.
No, sir.
So you have to just draw the Cartesian product of these two graphs.
So 6 squares.
6? No.
Sir, drawn.
Draw. Okay. Can you draw it? Can you draw it?
Sir, drawing is complicated, sir. Sir, can I share my screen?
Yes, yes, you
Let's
can
share
share.
my.
Okay, you can share it.
Sir, is it visible?
One second. No, not visible. Still. So it's
Camera, sir. Yes.
okay. Okay. Yes, yes. Not visible. Still not visible. Other student can see his. It may be correct one. It may be correct one. Right. Now it is
एक
visible.
मिनट एक मिनट
Now it is clear.
But now how you label to C3 or C4? So your C3 and C4. So it may be correct one, right? So everyone can see it. Another one. Okay, I'm drawing it, right? Now you can see it here. Let's this is the C4 A B C D, and this is the X sorry X Y Z. So this is the X A X B X C X D. Next one is this graph Y A Y B Y C Y D Z A Z B Z C Z D. Right. Now tell me, suppose first label this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 1 is adjacent to 2 or not? Yes or no? 1 is adjacent to
Yes, sir.
2 or not? Because first coordinate is same corresponding to second coordinate we have an edge AB. Yes or no? First is
Yes.
adjacent to 3. Now you have to tell me. 1 is adjacent to 3. Yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, sir.
One second. So let's CD. Now tell me.
No, sir.
पहले था लेकिन अब नहीं है क्योंकि मैंने यहाँ पर
Yes.
लेबलिंग चेंज किया है क्योंकि मैंने इस टाइप से ड्रॉ कर रखा है बिकॉज आई हैव ऑलरेडी रिटन द vertices of Cartesian product of these two graphs, right? That's why I have changed the labeling of these two vertices. Now tell me, 1 is addition to 3 or not?
No, sir.
1 is addition to 4.
Yes, sir.
Second is first coordinate is same. And this is the D. Keep in mind, this is the D. AC, AD is present in C4. That's why draw this edge. First is addition to 5. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
First is addition to 6. No. 7. No. 8. Yes or no? To 8.
No, sir.
First is no. 9 to 9. Yes or no? 1 is addition to 9 or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Second coordinate same corresponding to first coordinate xz present in C3. Right. Next one. Right.
No, sir.
10 to 10. No. To 11. No. To 12. No. So for 1 we are done or not done?
Done, sir.
Now pick similarly pick second one. 2 is addition to 3 or not? Now
Yes,
rest
sir.
of the student can complete the graph. Now rest of the student can complete this graph. अगर मैं ज़्यादा पढ़ाना नहीं चाहता मैं I have already taken 2 classes. Now I am taking this class and now we have inhalation duty from 4 to 5 and I am suffering from the fever. So I do not want to teach more and right. So this will be our last example of this class. Now 2 is addition to 3 or not? Tell me. Now we have to focus keep in mind 2. 2 is
Yes,
addition to
sir.
3 or not? To 4.
Yes, sir.
2 is addition to 4.
No, sir.
Right. To 5. To 5. Yes or no?
No, sir.
To 6. Yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now 2 is addition to 7.
No, sir.
To 8,
No, sir.
to 9, no. To 10, to 10 or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes. To 11, no. To 12, no. 2 is done. Now 3. 3 is addition to 4. 4 or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes. To 5, no. To 6, no. To 7, to 7, yes or
Yes, sir.
no? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes. To 8, no. To 9, no. To 10, no. To 11,
Yes, sir.
yes or no? To 11, yes or
Yes,
no?
sir.
3 is addition to 11 or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? Yes. To 12, no. 3 is done. Take fourth one. Fourth is addition to fifth, no. Sixth, no. 7, no. To eighth,
Yes, sir.
to 8,
8 and 12.
yes or no? To 9, no. To 10, no. To 11, no. To 12,
Yes, sir.
to 12, yes or no? Yes. Right. So 4 is done. Take fifth one. Fifth is addition to 6, yes or no? Fifth is addition to 6 or not? Yes or
Yes,
no?
sir.
Hey, इतना time ले रहे हैं आप लोग. Addition to 6 or not?
Yes, sir.
7, no. Eighth, no. To 9, to 9, no, sorry. To 8th is
Sir, fifth
addition to or
will be,
not?
sir, fifth will be
Yes.
addition to 8. No.
Right. Fifth is addition to 9 or not? YZ. Yes.
Yes, sir.
So 5 is done or not done?
Yes, sir. Done.
Done or not done?
Done, sir.
Right. Now 6 is addition to 7 or not? Yes. To
Yes,
8?
sir.
No. To 8, yes. BD, no. BD is not present. Right. To 9, no. To 10?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So 6 is done. You can analyze it. Degree of each vertex here 4. Will be 4. Pick 7. 7 adjacent to 8 or not?
Yes, sir. It is addition.
Right. 7 to 9, no. To 10, no. To 11,
Yes, sir. It is addition.
7 is done. 8th. 8th is adjacent to, now pick 8th. 8th is adjacent to 9, no. 10, no. 11, no. To 12,
Yes, sir.
12. So 8th is done. Right. Pick 9. 9 is adjacent to 10 or not? Yes. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
1 second, please. So now tell me, 9. So 9 is addition to 11, not to 12.
Yes, sir.
Right. So 9 is done because, right. Now 10. 10 is addition to 11
Yes, sir.
to 12. No. So 10 is done. Now 11 is addition to 12 or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes. 11 is done, also 12 is done. So this is the C3 Cartesian product C4. This is the Cartesian product of these two graphs. Clear or not clear?
Clear,
Clear
sir.
or not clear? So, so I hope this definition is clear, right? Do you have any confusion out of these two examples? Yes or no? Yes or no? Okay, tell me if you are done. So in your section, chromatic number is done or not done? Yes or no?
Sir, it is going on.
Going on, still going on. Do you know how can we calculate chromatic number? What is the trick? How do we calculate? Whenever we found out a chromatic number, we always try to find out a complete subgraph of maximum order. Always keep in mind. If you know this concept, you can calculate chromatic number of a graph within seconds. Right?
Sir, we don't know this trick. Sir, can you explain?
So she will tell you. Right? Chromatic. So थोड़ा तो definition पता होगा ना? What is the definition of the chromatic number? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
पता नहीं एग्जाम पे कहाँ गया मेरे पास में चलो एक अच्छा actually 10 minutes are left. Not 10. What is the chromatic number of this graph? But what is the chromatic number? Minimum number of colors.
3.
अरे यार मैं chromatic number का definition दे रहा हूँ. Minimum number of colors by labeling. I repeat, by labeling vertices of the graph by using minimum number of colors such that end vertices of every edge are of distinct color. Then that minimum number is called chromatic number. I repeat, by labeling vertices of the graph G using minimum number of color in such a that end vertices of every edge are of distinct color, then that minimum number is called chromatic number. अच्छा आप इस क्लियर नॉट क्लियर अच्छा आप इसका chromatic number बता रही थी क्या actually this is not a complete graph, still this is incomplete, right? Obviously chromatic number is 3, not 3, its chromatic number is 2. 2 or 3?
No, sir.
Tell me.
Three. Three,
2
sir.
or 3?
3.
Are,
Three, sir.
one second, black, are. So for this vertex, we will have to use the another color, yes or no?
Yes, sir. Another
Can we use
color.
black? No. Can I use red? No. So in general, chromatic number of C2n is equal to 2 or chromatic number C2n plus 1 is equal to 3. Clear or not clear? But this is
Yes.
not a complete graph, keep in mind. Now tell me, what is the chromatic number of this graph? Hello?
So 4.
4.
No, no, no. No, sir. 5, 5.
5.
Five, sir.
How 5? Solve it one more time. Y, T,
So 4, 4, sir.
red,
Sir.
and W. Red, Y, and W. Right. So, so we have color. Now tell me, and vertices of every edge are of distinct color or not? Yes or no? Yes or no? A, B, C, D. एक second, 1 second. I'm just checking a condition here. This is the D. We have an edge AB. AC is present or not? Yes. And CD is present or not here? CD is not present, right? So obviously, not tell me. And vertices of every edge are of distinct color or not here? Different, different,
Yes.
different, 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 different. Yes or no? Yes or no? Yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So it's still its chromatic number of this graph less than equal to 4. Now tell me, can we color vertices of this graph using three color? Using three color. Can we color or not? Answer is no. So that's why chromatic number of this graph is 4. Or you can check it one more time, right? So do you have any doubt? I was checking one condition here. His CD is not present. A, D, and B. B is A, then C, not to D. Right. Then C, A, B, not to D. Okay, no problem. Right. So chromatic number of this graph is different level में कर सकते हैं. Let's take Actually, chromatic number is 4. I just verifying my techniques here. Why I cannot use my technique here? Yellow, green, black, right? So again we can use here what? Black, no problem. So can I here use green? Yes, right. Cannot. Can I use here yellow? Yes. Can I use here for this vertex? Can I use here green? No. Can I use black? No. Can I use yellow here for this?
No,
No.
sir.
So we will have to use the another color for this vertex. Clear or not clear?
Yes, sir.
Right. Let's suppose it's black. Actually, what I'm doing here, actually in that case, we are getting the, actually this example is the exception of our trick, right? Okay, after some time you will know that trick. What is that trick? First we try to find out a complete subgraph of maximum order, right? तो उसे हमारा उसे आइडिया लग जाता है, बट इन दैट ग्राफ दैट ट्रिक कैन नॉट वर्क हियर. देखो मैंने यहाँ पर कर रहे थे ना, यहाँ पर मैं यहाँ पर एक कंप्लीट सब ग्राफ फाइंड करने का कोशिश कर रहा था ऑफ ऑर्डर 4. सो इन दैट ग्राफ, राइट, we cannot use that trick, right? No problem. So this is clear or not clear? Clear or not clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you.